Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find your user ID on Youper AI. To find your user ID in Youper AI, first of all, launch the Youper AI application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from the home page, tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Me menu, tap on Settings or the gear icon at the top right. Now, click on My Account at the top and then in the User ID text box, tap on the Copy button to copy your user ID. It is a string of numbers and letters. You can then use this ID if needed for support or verification. That's how you find your user ID on Youper AI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.